One bullet and two lives on the line. Has Sehan Ghazi gone into the mouth of death in order to save his father? Or is the burning inspiration in the fire of revenge going to reach his sister Alif? The Hamrahi drama has come to the point where the game of rat and cat has now turned into a bloody game of death. On the one hand, the inspiration that has reached the level of Sihan to take account of his twin sister Alif's death, and now his mobile, his Iqbal Juram recording. But on the other hand, Ghazi Yusuf has thrown his most dangerous leaf. Zikriya man had a clear order that the revelation should not be saved alive, and then the bullet goes. Now the biggest suspension is that when the bullet went, who made the target? Did Sehan take the bullet on his chest to save revelation or the revenge of the revelation? At last, what is the biggest twist in the upcoming drama episodes? Will the Qazi Yusuf kill his son in the circle of revelation? Or once again Sehan will lose his most precious thing? After all, what happened at Ilham now forced Sehan to commit a crime, and Sehan himself stood up for his father. Before knowing this, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, so do it. Is sitting with Sehan, he know that Sehan know the truth. But Ilham feel the Alif death is not someone else but Sehan hands. That why now she went to record everything about Sehan. But Sehan will tell her that I cannot tell you how she died, but I know that I did not kill her. I never wanted my wife to die like this. If I were in my sense, I would never let Alif take his step. If I, that you did not kill him, and then why do not you tell us who did it? Sehan will say that my love for Alif is enough, and I do not want to give any kind of proof, because I know that I love Alif a lot, and I will keep doing it. If anyone think that I have taken Alif's life, that I do not want to prove anything of anyone. You do not want to do it either. You understand what you think is better. But remember that I love Alif a lot. Zikriya man will call Zikriya at the same time and say that the revelation is true. She is with Sehan Baba and she want to talk with Sehan Baba. Maybe she is forcing him to commit a crime, and her Zikriya will tell him to bring Sehan Baba to back as soon as possible, because it is not right for Sehan Baba to stay with him like this as long as that girl is there. He will not go anywhere from there. Now you have to make some arrangement and clear that girl's name. I do not want the revelation alive. Zikriya. Zikriya will say, Sir, do not worry. I will give my people an order to finish the revelation. As soon as Zikriya gets the order, the man will also get to work and will start following the revelation. Will understand that two men are not anyone else but the goons sent by his father. After which Sehan will catch them and wash them well, and will say that after that Sehan takes their phone and say, whoever is listening to my voice, let me make one thing clear, stay away from. That was the preview of upcoming episode of drama serial Hamrahi. If you enjoy this story, please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching this video. For more interesting video, subscribe my channel.